Hello everyone, how you guys doing? My name is Belinder and today I'm going to be making a DIY hair care video because I'll show you guys what I use on my hair that works for me, so you can go ahead and try it for you. So I'm not going to waste our time, I'm just going to jump right into this video. So let's go. So here we are guys, these are some of the things I use on my hair. All this I'm going to put them into this jar right here. So guys, the next thing we want to do is to take a saucepan. This is just a stainless bowl I have at home, so you can just take a saucepan like this and then you pour your oil into it, any oil of your choice. I'm using a vegetable oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, any oil of your choice. So you're just going to place this on your stove and let it heat up for about 5 to 10 minutes under very low heat. So guys, while our oil is heating up, we're going to peel all this and get it ready to be used. So now I've peeled and washed them. We're just going to chop it into smaller sizes like this. Please be careful with your knife. You're chopping it like this so that the oil will be able to penetrate into it and so that the nutrients from the ginger will be able to go into the oil at the same time. So now all these ones are chopped and ready. These are clove and what's the name of this thing? Alligator pepper. Guys, when it's cool like this, then you put the cover and cover it very well. Then you put it in a plastic bag, a black one. Use a black plastic bag to cover it, and then you put it in a dark place, maybe under your bed or in a cupboard somewhere in your kitchen. You can use a plastic bag like this or a dark cloth to just wrap it. Something to just keep inside dark. So now you wait for about 2 to 3 days before you start using it on your hair, and then you're going to see the magic of these things. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.